Last week, OpenAI dropped a bombshell on the AI community, releasing a new image generator for ChatGPT. What's great about it is it's totally free and totally fabulous. Let's get into it. So here we have our all too familiar ChatGPT input box. And to use this new feature of ChatGPT, you are going to need to have an account. The great thing is about this is you don't have to have a paid account. You can have a simple free account, and here's some of the pricing options. Of course, with a free account, you do get access to a bunch of stuff, including image generation, as it's pointed out right here, and that's basically what we are talking about in this video. If you do have the more advanced Plus account, you do have more access or greater limits, or less limits I should say, to the product. Once you sign in and head on over to the main ChatGPT screen, make sure you're on 4.0. That does have the feature for this image generator. As you can see, I'm signed in with my Plus account. It does say 4.0. If it doesn't say 4.0 or it says 4.5, you might not be able to access the image generator. And also down below you can see create image, so make sure you have that there. And we are going to start this off with an image of a if you follow my videos, I love pandas and pizza, so let's do an image of a panda eating a pizza on the beach. That's going to be our first run through here on this trial, and it does take about 1 to 2 minutes to fire these things up, depending on what you're asking for. And I've fast forwarded, and there's our panda eating a pizza on the beach. Let's be honest, that is pretty darn good, and you have some options you can do. Of course, download it, we can magnify it, as well as what's awfully cool about this is you can edit things right from the image. But I mean, this is an amazing job. Again, free of charge. You don't have to hire a graphic designer. So let's say we want to change this. Instead of the beach, I want to make this I want to make this panda be eating this pizza where he should be, in New York Times Square. Okay, so let's see how this turns out. I'm going to again fast forward through this so you guys don't have to wait for the finished product. And presto, there we have it. The panda is now eating the pizza in Times Square. It looks, yeah, I think that's the exact same panda, just with a different background. And yeah, the exact same pizza. That pizza actually looks really good. I like the little basil leaves on top. That's like, ooh, very posh. So this worked really well. Let's give it a different look. Since we are in New York, maybe we can, instead of a pizza, let's go, yeah, let's do a pastrami. What do they got? Pastrami on rye, I think is that a popular dish? I haven't, but anyway, let's go from a pizza to a pastrami on rye and see what happens here. And again, I'm gonna fast forward. It's gonna take a couple minutes for this to render, but I will spare you that time. And here we are. We're back with this panda munching on, oh geez, that thing is gigantic. Yeah, that looks really, really good. I gotta say, it's making me hungry. So as you can see, we can do the pizza, we can do a pastrami with a panda. We got a lot of peas happening here. I don't know what's going on with that, but for our next trick, we're gonna do something, just change this into a popular theme or a trend going on right now, and that's this Ghibli style. So I want to run through maybe changing the background or the entire image to a Ghibli style, which is, taking over the internet. So let's see how this looks. And that is actually really, really good. I don't know much about the Ghibli style, but I've seen it in the last few days, and that's actually really well done. So let's do something I know a little bit more about. That's Cyberpunk. Let's try that out. And again, I'm going to fast forward this, and there's our Cyberpunk theme with the panda eating the pastrami. I also have the Ghibli with the panda eating the pastrami, and we got the panda eating the pastrami in New York City, and the pizza, and then you can just go on for hours and hours and days making this stuff. So let's do one of the other things you can do. So we can resize like the picture. So let's say you wanted to do more stuff with this picture, not just download it, but add it to something. And in this case, I put in change the size of the dimensions to just a box. So you can see this is just your basic box. So they're all the same length and width and height, whatever. So you can, if you wanted to go letter A4 or US letter 9x11 or A3, print it out for a poster. You can do all these things. Maybe make it circular, like a stamp or something. You can change the dimensions how you want it, different aspect ratios, which is really, really cool. One other thing you can do with these pictures is I'm going to remove the background so to make it transparent. I mean, how easy is this? Instead of using Photoshop or Canva or one of the other processors, you can just do it on here and just tell it what to do, and hopefully this will do it. I just want the panda and the food, get rid of everything else. So this actually goes a little bit quicker than the actual full render of the image. And yeah, there we have it. The panda eating the pastrami. We kept the food and we kept the panda. He's wearing this jacket, which I didn't even notice, but he's now transparent. So if I wanted to port that into another background of my own choosing, I could do that. But just lots of options here you can do, and it's super duper cool. And it's very easy. Now, something maybe next level some of you seen is making like a cartoon strip, if you will, like a few frames of a cartoon. You can do that too. And in this case, I want to do a cartoon of two pandas fighting over the last slice of a pizza. And let's make this let's make this into a I'm gonna put this in the woods, maybe in like a little open area with the Ghibli style, which is so popular right now. And let's see, let's do like 4 frames. I don't know how this will play out. Hopefully this comes out pretty good. And then of course with the little talking cartoon bubbles or cartoon strip bubbles, whatever you call those. So let's see how this looks right now. It's not a really big space, but now we fast forward and there we have it. It actually turned into a big space. It's wow, it's mine. No, I had it first. Let's go. That's, imagine having to hire somebody to do this. Like, good luck. This is gonna take a long time to find somebody to create this for you if you're not artistic like myself. But I mean, it's not the greatest thing, but you can probably ask it to change the text and whatnot. So another really, really cool feature. And if you're looking for more ideas, one of the best places is social media. Surprise, surprise. It's just got tons and tons of ideas and people who created stuff. They love to post. Here's one. This is really cool. This guy just took his picture and made it into a LinkedIn photo. That's a great, unbelievable idea there. Of course, the Ghibli style is all over. You can just take your favorite meme or whatever, and yeah. And the shortest AI art tutorial ever. Yeah, if you're an artist, this is basically it. Make it into X style. And so this guy here, Sukanta Mitra, just gives you all the different styles you can use, or some of them. That guy looks like Messi. I could be wrong. No, I'm not wrong on that. But you know, any style you want, you can just ask it, hey, do it this way, take this photo and do it that way. Or you know, if you have your own photo, upload it and change it as you want. It is that easy. It's literally like taking a photo and saying, what do you want to do with it? So you can also do like art, I mean, not art, but advertising. Take an old advertisement, refine it, change it. This guy took his profile image and turned it into a sculpt. That is pretty crazy, crazy cool there. So yeah, just go to X or your favorite social media, TikTok, search for what you want to get out of this, but there is a lot going on. So that's it for this video. If you found something interesting, please give it a like and please subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.